Just a normal chill day, you know, we're drinking.
Tubob records.
Yeah. And look at that girl.
What's up? This is Keith. This is the behind the scenes of Groove Bay. So I'm just with my homies. I just felt like the setup is great. So it's full of people in there. It's like 11 people in there. Could be 12 of people, including me. I thought we might as well just hit the music video.
The music was too loud.
Yes, bareke na machete ke machete ke falo bota ka hula ka ba masono ke motolo mo mta bona bela ku bona bela sela le ya chesa ke nna ka sebele ba mpitsa mane ke machete.
When am I with the Gambi?
Okay, I'm John Siso.
John Siso, and you're part of the people that are in there.
You know, bro. Shout out to Skero B.
Shout out to Skero B. Shout out to Tubob.
This is my niggas. Came from a long way. You know, right? Just life. We have to enjoy. Cheers to the life.
At the going on, Magwen Gambi.
Ningin
is a blog to shout out. What's your name, my nigga?
Yeah, I'm Dibs. I know you, my friend.
You know I'm Keith, man.
Yeah, I know you. I'm just kidding.
Okay, so the one journey music video lo nga usho dana mo.
Yeah, music lo na mutlani perfect ani.
Perfect.
Na ukhetha kwa na mina kuma ni ka part ya wona music lo wa. Khetha asikala ku kuma ku bona ka ndawo to tala social media or all that stuff. Yeah, na khetha na khetha mngana.
Yeah, this is basically the behind the scenes of Groove Bay. You know. Yeah. Enjoy the music video.